गोंयांत दिव्यांग मनशांक पुराय दुर्लक्ष करता असो आरोप दिव्यांग हक्क संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष आवेलीन दिसा हाणें केल्या। स्वयंपूर्ण मित्रान दिव्यांगाच्या घरांनी वचून विचारपूस करपाची गरज आसा, तांकां सगळ्यो साधन सुविधा दिवपाक जाय अशें पत्रकार परिशदेन आवेलिनान सांगलें। विद्यालय आनी दिव्यांग भुरग्यांक दाखलो दिवपाक सोदिना ते खातीर तांचेर अंडर सेक्शन 89 अंतर्गत कारवाय करतले अशी शिटकावणी दिव्यांग हक्क संघटनेच्या अध्यक्ष आवेलीन दिसा हाणें दिली।
Cognizance of this, and we request Swayampoorna Mitras to go to each and every disabled person, each and every senior citizen's house and see what are their requirements. Because under the Disability Act 2016, Section 7 and Section 92, it is a criminal offence to neglect persons with disabilities, and we will be forced to take action against the Swayampoorna Mitras, against the Panchayat secretaries and against the field officers of the Social Welfare Department if we get any other complaints, if we get similar complaints like this in future. We have also noticed that a newly constructed stadium in Vasco, swimming pool complex and stadium in Vasco has been constructed by the SAG. And we are shocked to note that the stadium is not accessible for persons with disabilities. Now the Persons with Disabilities Act 1995 is 25 years old. The new Disability Act 2016 is 5 to 6 years old. But still our engineers of the SAG, our engineers of the GSIDC are constructing stadiums which is not accessible for persons with disabilities. We have taken strong cognizance of this matter, and we are demanding action against the SAG officials as well as the GSIDC officials for constructing buildings